Hello Scorpio, this is your career, business and money reading from 14th September to 20th September. Just a word, like Mars, the fiery planet, is going retrograde in Aries. So things which were catching momentum at work could suddenly see delays, confusions and could halt or just go slow. It could lead to a lot of frustration. Adding to the misery is that Jupiter and Saturn is in retrograde still. So just do not blame your work or your situation. It's the planetary movement that could cause it. Having said this, let's move what's there for you in this week. Ace of Swords. Let me pull out this card. Okay, the Hanged Man. So maybe Ace of Swords is like a breakthrough coming, a truth coming. You get clarity of. So maybe you were thinking, this is like you were thinking about a situation in your job or partnership, and you are trying to think with different perspective, and you get that idea now. You were thinking, this is like about thinking, taking a step back and looking at the other, thinking with other perspective in mind. So suddenly there is an awakening and enlightenment, and you are able to break through that idea, that confusion, whatever was going, you are successful here. And this calls for action time now that your thinking has been done, and this week you will get that clarity. This is like that sudden solution to whatever you were thinking about will come. If it was a stuck situation, you might get a clarity on this situation here. So coming out of a stuck situation for you, for which you have been thinking about for quite some time, a breakthrough comes, an idea comes, a message comes, or you get a mail comes and it's delivered to you, and you are now ready for action. It's about new beginnings, it's about abundance, it's about growth, it's about positivity and prosperity. So it is about moving forward, new beginnings here. So now you have the clarity. It is your action time this week to act on this, Scorpio. Let's see. And thinking is done. What else for Scorpio here? This is Seven of Wands and the Temperance. So Scorpio, Seven of Wands. You are defending your position. You may need to defend your position at the top. You can see this person trying to defend his position at the top of a mountain hill. So it might be an office politics. You might, some people might just get you entangled into some politics or a situation or a difficult situation that you might have need to defend, but you will come out successful, and the success will come with balance and patience. Do not overreact to your situation. Do not take it in an in an anger, or do not be furious about it. Have balance, have patience, and this will help you defend your position here. Defend your position at the top, where you are going to be victorious. You are going to cross these obstacles. You are going to cut. This is also card of like getting success after delay. So you will get that success. You will be able to defend your position. You will come out victorious. But balance and patience is required in certain situations. This could be a person. This could be a situation here wherein you need to defend yourself. It's basically talking about office politics or a competition. Maybe this also talks about competition. So there might be some competition regarding your work that you could need to prove. So you have worked hard. It's just that balance and patience will bring you the desired results. What else for Scorpio? Two of Cups and okay, so again here 5. This is 5 of Wands. So for some of you in the relationship with your boss, with your colleague, there might be some drama in your partnership situation. There could be some kind of a conflict, not a big one. It's just opposing each other's, opposing your idea, not being supportive to you, your subordinate not being supportive to you. So this is like a conflicting or a situation like which might come between you and your boss, or you and your colleague, you and somebody you are working with here. This is what I get. Also, it shows scattered energies of people, everybody doing what they want. There's no that the absence of leadership in a certain situation could also lead to this chaos here. So there is some kind of absence of leadership here, which is creating this. I mean, your boss, maybe your boss Scorpio, is not taking up a call if so that this situation could be resolved. Here, so there definitely this is drama, this is conflict, and this is an office politics situation again, what I see here. Somebody has to take a call and resolve it. Let's see what else. Queen of Pentacles with the Four of Wands. Okay, great here. So Queen of Pentacles, there is some, this is a foundation of a certain business situation, money situation, strong foundation. This is a card of independence, this is a card of celebration. This is what I get. With this Queen of Pentacles energy is like, you need for this foundation to work, you need to have your focus. See, the Queen of Pentacles knows how to, she's a good person, very caring, nurturing. So it might be towards that, you have been, this could be your energy. You are very caring towards your people with whom you work, at your home situation, whatever, and there is a happy situation overall. This also calls for collaborations, deals, associations happening here, and you could be the key person here who is got this deal successful, this partnership successful here. This is what I get here. This deal or partnership or the successful situation that has happened in your job or business situation is because of you. You are the Queen of Pentacles here. You are the king, and you will be appreciated for your work. You will be, I mean, maybe there might be an applause or reward. It depends on your situation, but you are the key person in these negotiations, and that's why it has become this thing. This thing has become successful. So both the situation, either a foundation has been laid wherein you are the key person, or the success of a foundation, on the business or job front is because you have worked out hard on this situation and you got the success. You have the greatest role in that success. So what are, this is Five of Cups. Let's see with what. Okay, Scorpio, what I feel is that you are, this was the first card. See, you are looking at losses. You have in your past have gone through lot of losses, lot of sorrow, lot of pain. Maybe a job loss you have had, maybe you had gone losses in your business. So it's like now some of you are guarded. This is a situation of being, bold and guarded, guarding yourself from these so that it doesn't repeat with you. So some of you will be guarded because you have the experiences of your past and you do not want to open up. So it is like guarding your position, maybe. Because of your experiences in past, you could be guarding your own position at work, at your job situation, in your business situation here. This is what I get. Also, I see lot of travel here. I do not see any pentacle card. So whatever income has, oh great, I do see money coming here. There is a big money coming here. Ace of Swords, when it comes, it brings you some amount of money which you are not aware of. Sudden money coming for some of you here. Source could be anything which you are not aware, or even if you are aware, it was in the past. Also, people with law and publishing will do great here. Other also, I feel lot of fire energy here. And yeah, it's mostly fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then you have the Cups energy, Pentacle, Earth energy. This is also a sword. So some money is coming to you suddenly, an offer of job or money coming to you suddenly, which will get you growth, prosperity, abundance, happiness here. So now let me just pull out an angel guidance card, Scorpio, for some of you here. Or the news might just come for that you are receiving this money. Creative wonderment, follow your passion. So if you are in a creative field, if you if that is your passion, So follow it. So I feel somehow it is like, creative writers and all, they will do a great job also. And you need to be creative, new approach to work, new out of the box thinking. Being creative with your work will get you success. This is what I see with the angel guidance card. So thank you, Scorpio. This is it. See you in the next reading. Till then, take care, bye, and stay blessed. Please subscribe to my channel if you do like my readings.